Hey there! In this video I will show you how you can quickly add animations to your website using AI and GSAP. We call this feature GSAP Vibe Code. GSAP is the most popular library for JavaScript animations on your website, and it's most capable. And we named it Vibe Code because that's popular term right now when you are using AI to code and you are not writing code by yourself. So let's go to the builder and see what we can do. Here I have a home page, and this website doesn't have any animations currently on it. So basically it's just all the static except this form, and we want to add animations to this page. So how we can do this? So basically select any tag on this current page and you will see here on the layers GSAP Vibe Code. Click that, a new screen will pop up, and now you can select any of the sections. So builder is automatically recognizing the sections, so you can see when I hover, I have here select to animate. So now I can click any of the sections and animate it specifically. But in our case, I want to do all the sections at once. Then we will do checkup. We'll check all the sections, and something that we don't like, we are going to change. So let's click here on the left side, all sections. On the right side, we have like AI, and here it says currently animating all sections. So let's change model to use our Sonnet 4.6, for example, and let's tell him, animate this whole page. I want titles to be blurred from left to right, and the rest of the things you can be creative. Images can be slightly zoom in effect, and navbar can be a simple fade down as a whole. And as well, I want cards and list items, such as this one, to animate one by one in a stagger effect. So let's click enter and let's see what it's going to do. And here you go. We have 12 sections animated, as it said here. On the left side, we have these check marks. That means basically that GSAP animation is applied to that specific section. And now I can reset section, I can undo, I can copy code and use it somewhere else, and I can replay the section, and I will show you. And as well, I can click edit code, and I can see the code that AI have written for this section. Okay, so let's first open the page and see if we like it. So let's click open the page, and you will see it's animating with blur from left to right. It's not as smooth as possible. I think we are missing its overflow hidden for this text. It would be smoother if there was no overflow. Other than that, it's cool. I like this. Let me see this. It's great. Okay. These are awesome. Okay. It's maybe too much. It's animating literally every element. Maybe my prompt could be like animate only titles and I don't know, box by box. Don't animate literally each text separately. But you can fine tune that. You can tell AI what to do, and it will understand what to do. Okay, now let me show you how you can select a section. So let's select a hero, and now you'll see here a timeline. So you can draw this timeline and see how animation is working. And you can now, when it is selected, it says here currently animating hero, and I can tell him what I don't like. For example, maybe I want, let's say, paragraph description to come from bottom. So I'll tell him that I would like description to fade up. Okay, and there you go. If I play again, you will see that my description is now fading up. And now I can go from section to section and fine tune whatever I don't like. So yeah. And on the left side, as I mentioned before, you have responsive options. You can choose when a specific animation of each section is triggering. And on top right, you can preview mobile, tablet, and desktop. So you can see everything. We have a full refresh page here to test. And that should be it. And lastly, here we have global GSAP. Here you define global rules. What that means? So let's say you want to animate all headings the same way. You don't let animations to be covered by each section separately. You tell AI to animate every heading to the same way. For example, if you have the cards with some specific class name, you tell AI when that class name is there, just define it here. So it's global. Okay, so hopefully you like it. Let me know what do you think of this. And yeah, happy building.